So Isaac Newton had some very reliable patterns of the heavens to go by for a given time. So he chose a night when the moon would be in the full, easy to observe, and probably clear weather. And then he made an assumption that the earth would be suddenly stop pulling on the moon. As in effect, he doesn't use those words, that you would annihilate the earth. Therefore, as you have that weight and swinging around your head, if you let go of it, it goes over this line. So he said, if the earth suddenly stopped pulling on the moon, the moon would go off on a given line. So he calculated what that line would be on that night at that time. And he was able then to pattern it against the heavens. A clearly patternable line. Therefore, on that night, at that time, he then measured the rate at which the moon was falling away from that line towards the earth. And he found the rate at which it was falling was exactly agreed with Galileo's rate of falling bodies. That is, there's an accelerating rate, and moving apparently the second power, as multiplying the number of times itself. Therefore, he said, number one, we multiply the two masses times each other to get the relative amount of interpol compared to between any other two objects. And we halve the distance between the two, will increase the interattractiveness fourfold, that is the second power. He spoke about how it's been in inverse ratio, because he spoke about going away. So if you go twice as far away, it's only 1/4 of the pull. So he had the inverse ratio of the second power, the relative proximity.